Yo guys, no cap, we just summoned a cyborg right there. You guys can see that. A cyborg. I didn't even what the hell guys? I don't even understand this anymore. How did I just get a cyborg? I got a cyborg by the way. A secret. A secret. Like, no joke, guys. I'm not even joking. This was caught on camera. I didn't even edit it. I don't know how to edit. You guys should probably realize I don't know how to edit. But whenever I try to edit, it's just trash. Oh my gosh. But we have so many quests to play. And we have like so much more diamonds we have to go through. I wish that was a sea bear, not gonna lie, because I just traded my sea bear for a Dream Jerry. Oh my gosh, 1 mythic? Are you joking? Like, subscribe if you want luck like this. Actually, you don't need to like and subscribe. You just like and subscribe because you won't, you won't, you won't, you won't be disappointed. Mythical trash. I'm calling mythicals trash because they just waste my inventory. I'm selling each one of these. Maybe not selling. What the hell? What the hell? I'm not even selling my mythics. What the hell? Why? I know selling mythics, but I'm saying that I should. I don't know how I don't know how I getting so many units. Right off the bat, we got a secret. A secret right off the bat has to be crazy. Like, no joke. You guys cannot lie. I've never done that. A secret right off the bat. Wait, is another secret? Gabe? I didn't give you a secret. That, oh my gosh, I just got 2 mythics. No. Ooh, I think I'm gonna get secret. I'm gonna get the secret for my dog. I just got yeah. Now obviously my friend is prestige 8 and I'm prestige 7.
We need to do 5 raids.
What?
5 raids.
For what?
For the weekly quest.
Okay, but let's summon first. See if anyone can get a sea bear.
Oh man, we're gonna get years of this.
Your inventory is full. You can give me that. Or you can sell that. Or you can just give it to your lodge, you know? And just give it to me. The problem with 50 summons is that, remember, if you get, wow, I can't even speak anymore. These bandit pearls are trash. I don't really care about them. The Mr. Krabs won't be coming out of the door. But oh, I got a Wumbo Krusty Krab. If you guys want it, maybe I can. Maybe if I have it, then I can probably give it to you guys. Because I do not care about it. Yup, you guys can take this if you want. Well, I don't know even I don't know how I'm supposed to give you guys it.
Wait, how did I get this policy?
Oh my gosh, I got so many mythicals this time! And they're trash. I think I'm gonna need to sell auto sell mythicals. And also I think I just got a secret Secret, secret, secret. What the hell? Ugh. What the? I don't think I need these mermaid mans. I have enough. But all the mythicals are good, so I'll keep them. Except for the mermaid man. He's just trash. You can't even play it anymore. Bro, my luck is just becoming worse and worse. Hey, got a shiny Krusty Krab. Only got a shiny Wumbo. La 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 la. Hey, Wumbo, Larry, that's Auto Soul. Also, guys, I'm an Ultra VIP. That's why I'm getting to test my body perfect to someone. And you see, I just can't get a secret anymore. Right off the bat of this video, I got a secret. But now I'm just getting mythicals on top of mythicals. Like, what are these? Sell all of these mermaid mans. Trash. Mermaid man? More like trash mans. Guess I really do not want to keep them. My inventory is gonna be filled to the brim. Okay, finally I can summon 15! Wow, that rhymed. Is there any time I can get a... Is there any way I can get... Oh my gosh. Whoa, Nightmare Conqueror. 2 golden trade euros for complete 25 different Nightmare story modes. Trash. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm down to so like I don't know. I did check. I'm down to 12. I'm down to 12,000 gems, guys.
Huh?
Nagkakulang ng drawer.